Sabaydi. Hi everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make jun patu, or it's called steam mackerel fish. Okay, and what I have here, I have the fish and sugar. You can use vegetable oil, black pepper, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. Okay, and what the ingredient I have here also, the vegetable, I have cilantro, celery, green onion, chili pepper, shallot, garlic, and tomato, and this is Guajillo. Oh, okay, I got everything already. First thing you do, you want to deep fry the fish first, okay? Let's cook. What you think? It look good and smell so good. Now let's have lunch with me, okay? Like I said, I have time to cook all week while I stay home. Let's eat with me. มากินข้าวน้ำกัน Come on you guys eat with me this fish is very good okay try that this is my favorite fish been with my family for a long time especially for my younger brother when he was a little boy I cook for him all the time Tony this for you okay so I don't know you can cook like that but you can try มากินข้าวน้ำกันแซ่บโอเคเบิ่งนอกว่ามันจะงามขนาดไหนปี๊บขั้นคุกเป็นมันจะบวกขาวป่านี่นะแซ่บแซ่บเป็นอาหารโปรดเลยGuys, the taste is amazing. It's got a little salty taste. The tomato taste is really good, really creamy, and the chili pepper I put is really kick in just a little bit, and you don't smell fish at all. Okay. Stay home 2 weeks. I don't get stressed at all. All I do is do my garden, play with my cat, my dog, and cooking. And talk on the phone if you can. Okay, talk to your family about good things. All right. But you have to move around. Don't just eat and sit in a couch. After you eat, tell your family, let's walk. You cannot go outside, clean the house. That's our favorite thing to do, right? Maybe. ไปแซ่บถ้วยนี้ย่างบ่พอ second bowl waiting for me. แซ่บหลาย Okay. Okay. Thank you guys. Take your time watching my video and I see you next clip, okay? And hit like, hit share, talk about my food to your friend, your neighbor, okay? And I represent this dish is very good, okay? ขอบใจหลายๆ I see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Bye. ลาก่อน